Hello everyone. So in this video today, I will be showing you guys a quick tutorial of how to activate your Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. So basically go to the settings of your iPhone and first check by simply going to the general section and by clicking on the software update of if your iPhone has been updated to the 18.1 software, because it is an essential part of the process of activation of the Apple Intelligence. So if there is an option to update it to 18.1, then do it. But please keep in mind that Apple Intelligence is only available on certain models such as the 15 Pro, then 15 Pro Max, and all of the 16 series. So please keep that in mind when you're watching this video. So after doing that, just below that you will see the option of Apple Intelligence in Siri. Then after clicking on that, to activate the Apple Intelligence, change your language to English, United States, or United Kingdom, whatever you prefer to say. And yeah, that's pretty much it. When you now respond to basically, hey Siri, or whatever thing of what Siri, hey Siri, and basically other things that basically include the word Siri. Your iPhone will respond by doing a ring, and then you can talk to Siri and give her commands. And this is how your phone and Siri will be activated. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And your Apple Intelligence will automatically be activated and will function whenever you need it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching this video till the end. That's all from my side. Bye bye.